Hi guys! Today we are unboxing this AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. It uses the new RDNA 3 architecture with 96 compute units, 24 GB of memory, 384-bit bus and 2.3 GHz game clock. So let's see what's inside. And we have the graphics card. Though it's not extremely big, it's quite heavy. Here we have "Welcome to the Red Team." And below we have, what do we have here? AMD Red Team, some leaflet, and pretty much that's it. Here is the card. It has 3 fans, a big vapor chamber down below, just 3 red stripes, all the rest is black and gray, some red markings on the back, and does seem it's either metal or some kind of mixed plastic. The connectors are to 8-pin, and on the front we have 2 display ports, an HDMI and USB Type-C.